In this video, we will create a full-scale function in Python. In this function, we will use non-default argument, default argument, arbitrary argument, keyword argument, and also we will use global and local variable concept. So let's do this. So here we come. So we are creating a function which increase the population with every registry and also append all the names. So we are defining registry, then registry function. It is taking age, name and age, then salary. Salary is default 10,000, 1,000 rupees, and then a key. It can pass arts any, and then kw arcs, kw arcs, and we cannot use these r's and kwr two time in any function. So now, so as you know, at initially population age is 0 and names is a empty list. Now as we want at every registry, when we call this function at every registry, means we can say it every registry, it is a registry now. So what we need to do, we need to increase the population by 1 plus 1. So first one we are doing this, and then append the name function, append name, names, append the name. So here you can see, as we want to change this global variable, so we have to define that, because here we are assigning the value that we are defining the value that it increase the value of 1 and then assign to population. So actually we are assigning to population. So whenever we assigning to any variable in functions, so it will create a local variable. So it has nothing to do with the global variable. So to define that it is global variable, we will use global keyword, that we want to change global variable, global pop global population. So here we are telling Python that it is global variable. Now here global, we are saying that names is also a global variable. Now what we have to do, print salary. So it have to print the salary. So what we can do with salary, so print your salaries, your salaries, name salaries, f string, name salaries, salary is is name salary is salary, and what to do with hours. So for a, element element in hours, iterate through it and just print it, print print it, print element. And for keywords, for keywords, for I comma j in keywords dot items, because it store the items, print I, then comma, then do this, print this, and then comma, then j, because it is string. So this is like this. So this is our full scale function. Now now do the registry. Net registry, I want to register Rahul in my record, and his age is 26, and his salary is we can do this like this also, that name is Rahul, then we do not have to follow the order. So 26 salary is 10,000, 2 rupees, 10 rupees, and then also passing some additional information like hella, hey, hey, and who, who. Then also pass some additional feature that his it height is 50 50 kilometer. Height is 50 kilometer, and one more thing, his city is uh, Delhi. Now see what happened. Eh, it is saying invalid decimal iteration. Why? Height is 50 kilometer, it is saying. So actually here I want to this. So now, so here you can see it is printing first name dot append, then printing the Rahul salary is 10 rupees, then printing hey hoo here, hey hoo. Then it is printing additional information that his height is 50 kilometer and city is Delhi, and and 10 rupees, and we want to again register. Let's check population now. Population. Now you can see population has been increased here. Population was 0 and has been increased. Now names, check names in our record on the whole. Now add few more records. Now Rahul is John. Now here's something message. Let's go. Let's go and no, and city, and one more, that uh, alive or not, alive, true, alive, true. So let's see this. So John Stan, this is now one more, and C, and this C gone. Anything I don't want now. Now check the population, and this is 3, and check the names in my record. This is Rahul John. I don't know. So this is the full scale function. We created a full scale function in Python. So you, while creating a function, you have to remember this, or you have to take care about the order of positional argument. So these are positional argument. These are non-positional argument. And this is arbitrary argument. And this is keyword argument. And this is default argument. User, it is optional that a user can pass or value of salary and cannot be passed any salary. So here you can see, if we do not pass value of salary, so it assign the assign the KWRs values. So in this case, what will happen? So let's see uh, registry again. My name is xxx, then yy, tth. Then I don't want to pass salary. My default salary will be salary. So can we do it? So we cannot do it. Actually, we have to pass the value. If I want to pass KWRs and as well as Rs, means arbitrary argument and keyword argument. So you have to do pass the value of salary to pass arbitrary argument and non-arbitrary argument. So so can we define like this that my salary is at last I I changing the order of arguments. So no, you can say that argument cannot follow variable keyword argument. So because it will create which argument associated with which argument type problem. That's why we use this. So I think you understood the full scale function, how we can create a function in Python. So thanks for watching this video. In next session, I will create a playlist of oops in Python. Like we will discuss class and object and polymorphism and many things about oops concept. So thanks for watching and subscribe my channel for more such videos.